Welcome back. Today we are looking at the real benefits of using Canon EOS C80 cinema camera full-frame 6K RF mount. As a design critic, evaluating a modern professional tool requires looking past mere spec sheets and marketing jargon. We must examine tactile integrity, ergonomic philosophy, and how an object inhabits its environment, whether that environment is a chaotic documentary set, a minimalist creator studio, or a meticulously organized editing desk. Check the video description for the updated price link. The Canon EOS C80 cinema camera paired here with a high-capacity 64GB memory card arrives as a profound statement in industrial design. Building upon the legacy of the Canon EOS C70 cinema camera, the C80 transitions the form factor into the full-frame era without sacrificing the compact, modular ethos that modern cinematographers demand. An era where digital tools often feel cold, disposable, or overly plastic, the Canon EOS C80 presents a deliberate, monolithic silhouette. It is an instrument designed not just to capture light, but to command respect on set. When resting on a walnut desk or mounted on a carbon fiber tripod, its matte black chassis absorbs ambient light, projecting an aesthetic of serious, unpretentious utility. Let us dissect how this machine balances high-end cinematic capability with everyday studio ergonomics. The immediate impression when lifting the Canon EOS C80 is one of balanced density. Canon's industrial designers have meticulously sculpted the magnesium alloy body to fit comfortably within the human palm, bridging the gap between heavy studio rigs and nimble mirrorless bodies. Every edge is chamfered with precision, and the grip texture offers a reassuring friction that instills confidence during handheld tracking shots. When integrated into a modern workspace, perhaps sitting alongside color grading monitors and audio interfaces, the C80 looks less like a traditional video camera and more like a piece of precision medical or architectural hardware. Its physical layout prioritizes tactile feedback. Customization is king here. Assignable buttons are strategically positioned where fingers naturally rest, minimizing the need to dive into complex digital menus while framing a shot. For creators who value a clutter-free, efficient desk setup, the camera's clean lines and compact footprint make it an effortless centerpiece even when packed away in gear storage. Beneath its architectural shell lies a powerhouse of optical engineering. The heart of the Canon EOS C80 is its full-frame, back-illuminated BSI CMOS sensor. From a visual design standpoint, sensor architecture dictates the micro-contrast, roll-off, and spatial depth of every frame. The BSI design allows photons to strike the photodiodes without interference from wiring layers, yielding exceptional low-light performance and astonishing dynamic range. Coupled with the native RF lens mount, the camera unlocks a new paradigm of optical design. The short flange focal distance allows legendary cinema glass and nimble modern RF primes to sit closer to the sensor, reducing distortion and enhancing edge-to-edge sharpness. Furthermore, the inclusion of robust internal ND filters means operators can maintain shallow depth of field in harsh daylight without slapping external glass filters onto the matte box, preserving the sleek, aerodynamic profile of the camera setup. Ensure your workspace workflow remains uninterrupted. Pairing this camera with reliable storage is critical, which is why the bundled 64GB memory card offers an immediate plug-and-play start for testing high bitrate codecs. Operating the Canon EOS C80 the field reveals a harmonious dialogue between software and hardware. The dual-pixel CMOS AF system operates with a subtle, human-like intelligence, tracking subjects across complex lighting gradients with fluid authority. For solo shooters and lean documentary crews, this reliability translates directly into creative freedom. When working on location, cable management, and signal routing can make or break a shoot. Many modern directors and technical leads look into tools like a related product guide to streamline their monitor setups and untether the camera from heavy cabling. The C80 supports modern IP streaming, remote control protocols, and robust wireless integration, ensuring it fits seamlessly into multicam broadcast or wireless monitoring environments. Thermal management is another triumph of industrial design here. Despite cramming 6K full-frame recording capabilities into a compact body, Internal airflow channels keep the core processor cool during extended takes, eliminating the dread of thermal shutdowns mid-interview. Check the link in the description to get yours today.